Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to swipe the glass twice using Hutt DDC5. So first what we have to do is make sure that this is enabled. For the video purposes it's too loud so I cannot enable it, but when it's enabled and when it's on the glass already, then simply press and hold for about 2 to 3 seconds the X2 button. Then make sure that you also have your batteries here so the remote works. Now hold the X2. It will basically clean the glass twice, and after that your windows will be very clear and shiny. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and a comment.